Hey, do you want to learn how to dance salsa?
Get your dance shoes ready. That's what we're about to do.
Hey guys, today we're going to learn a short and simple pattern for beginners.
Get excited. You're going to love it. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Enjoy, guys. Bam! Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial. My name is Herman.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Latin Dance Movement. We got a short turn pattern that we want to teach you today. Let's jump right into it. We start off with a basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now on 5, I am going to ask for her left hand, and it goes 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, as I lift the hand up, on 1, I'm letting her know that I want her to turn. She's going to turn on 2, 3. So let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. Go up. Turn her around. 5, 6, 7. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Turn her 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From here, I am going to turn her into a left travel turn. But before that, I am going to do what's called a loop. A loop looks like this, 5, 6, 7, 1, where I loop the hand over the head. Let's see it from this angle so that you can get a better view. It's gonna look like this. She can see me through this loop right here that I'm watching you through. I am going to put this over the head on 1. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I give her the right turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then on 1, I give her the loop and then go straight into the left travel turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now as I give her the loop, be careful. I'm not brushing her hair. I'm not touching her hair. What I am doing is tracing the hand. She's walking forward. I'm mimicking a hairbrush, but I just pass the hand through, let it go, and I don't actually touch her. So I'll do that again one more time. 1. And I let the hand go for me. 1. For you, for the followers, you're not letting the hand distract you. So don't think because the hand is coming across your face that you're going to actually be turning to the right. You're actually turning to the left. Don't let the hand distract you. It's actually an embellishment and it's not a turn itself. So 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, turn her. 5, 6, 7. So right from the top, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. I turn her. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From here, I am going to give her another right turn. 1, 2, 3. I catch her for a cross body lead. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And we're done. Let's see it from this side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn, 2, 3. Catch, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, that's the whole pattern. It is a short one. Let's see it now with music.
Well done, guys, for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Boom, good job. Great job for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If you learned something, if you have any questions, post a comment down below. We'll answer all your questions, and subscribe here for more free salsa content. One more thing, guys, let me tell you a quick story. I teach beginners all the time, and I know how frustrating it could be when you're trying to go to the party, put all the moves that you're learning here, you're learning in class, all of them together when you go out. You might forget what you have learned. You might not remember. It might be difficult. You might feel overwhelmed. So go to latindancemovement.com/crash course, where we put together a course that is going to give you the tools and confidence so that you can get out on the dance floor and dance with anyone. You're going to love it. It's going to help you out. It's our 6-step formula, and it's going to change your salsa journey. It's going to help you. Enjoy, guys. Until next time.